Hello students, welcome back to my channel Max Logic Solution. Today we are discussing about the integers operations. There are four type of operations, that means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so before that, what is an integer? Which numbers are included in the set of integers? Then the numbers is positive and the negative numbers are included in the set of integers. The positive and the negative numbers are included in the set of integers. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. This is known as the positive numbers, and if we put a negative sign before the number, so these numbers become negative. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, etc. This is known as the negative numbers. So the integer means that the set of integers, the number of integers included in the set of positive and negative numbers with 0. Okay, so the set become etc. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. This is known as the integers. Clear? So, in this video, we discuss only two operations, that is addition and subtraction, and the next part of the same integers video including the multiplication and division, because the multiplication and division is containing so many properties. Okay, so first one is addition. Addition. The integers addition. First we are discussing about the addition of two positive numbers. The same method we have to follow for the simply the same manner we have to follow the additions procedure. Okay, then 1 plus 2, then we have just add these two numbers, that become 3, because this 1 and 2 are two positive numbers. But in the second case, one of the member become negative and one of the member become positive. So we have to consider two numbers, negative 2 and positive 3. Negative 2 and positive 3. So we just looking into the numbers without sign. Here is 2 and here is 3. So which one is the greatest one? Then 3 is the greatest one, and the two signs are different. So we subtract each other. Then we subtract 3 from 2 from 3. Then this can be rearranged. We have to write 3 minus 2. So our answer become 1. If the sign is different, if the sign is same, we have to add these numbers. If the sign are different, so we have to subtract the numbers. Okay, then your next problem, third one. Next we check with two negative numbers. Then that become negative 2 add with negative 4. Okay, then these two numbers are a negative numbers with the same sign. Here 2 is also negative number, 4 is also negative number. If it is a negative sign and the same sign, so we have to add 4 plus 2. Then you have to write 6 and put the negative sign before the answer. Okay, so next problem. 5 plus negative 7. 5 plus negative 7. Here 5 is a positive number and 7 is a negative number. So here is the two sign. First one is positive and second one is negative. Different sign. Okay, so you just subtract the number. Then 5 subtract from 7. So our answer become 2. And put the sign of the biggest number. Here is 7 is the biggest number, so you have to put the negative sign in front of the answer. So another questions for the same for the addition. First one, negative 9 add with negative 10. Negative 9 add with negative 10. Here 9 and 10 have the same sign, that is two of them are positive. Sorry, two of them are negative. Here is negative, here is negative. So we have to add this number without using the sign. First you add the numbers without using the sign. 10 and 9 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Then put the negative sign. So our answer becomes negative 19. So next one is minus 4 add with 6. Okay, minus 4 add with 6. So it is a 6 is a positive number and 4 is a negative number. So there is a different sign. One of them is positive and next one is negative. So we subtract the small number without using the sign, and you just subtract the 4 from 6. Okay, 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2, and put the sign of the biggest number. Here is 6 is the biggest number, so you have to put the positive sign. Without writing the positive sign, does not matter, you just write 2 itself. Okay, so next one is negative 9 add with negative 3. Negative 9 add with negative 3 is, here 9 is also negative number, 3 is also negative number, same sign. These are same sign. So we have to add with 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12, and put the negative sign also. Okay, so negative 12 is our answer. Clear? So next examples are 5 add with negative 7. 5 add with negative 7. Here 5 is a positive number and 7 is a negative. 5 is a positive and 7 is a negative number. So our next step become just subtract then 5 from 7, that is equal to 2, and put the sign of the biggest number, that become negative 2. Okay, this is the procedure of our addition of the integers. Then we move to the subtraction. Subtraction of integers. So first question, 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3, then this one is the subtraction. Then 3 is a positive number, 6 is a positive number. So we have to subtract the number. You just subtract 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. That's 3 is our answer. You no need to put the sign in front of the number. Okay. Then second one, negative 7 subtract with the 3. Okay. Negative 7 subtract with the 3. So we change this sign into, in the case of subtraction, we have to find the additive inverse also. Okay, then next step we have to write negative 7 is write like this, and we have to put the positive sign and negative 3. This is the correct step. Okay, this one also we have to write like this. No need to the 6 minus is simply we have to subtract the subtractions, normal subtraction. In this case negative 7 and 3, so you have to write negative 7, negative 3. Then here is 7 is a negative, 3 is a negative, same sign is negative, so you have to add 7 plus 3, that is equal to 10, and put the negative sign in front of the number. Okay, so our next question is 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7. Then 9 is a positive number and 7 is a negative number. So we use the same procedure of the additive inverse. Next step is find the additive inverse. So you have to write 9 and put the positive sign here, and negative and negative. The additive inverse of 7 become 7. Okay, then we have to add 9 plus 7, that is equal to 16 is our answer. Okay, so next one is negative 3 subtract with 7, negative 7. Negative 3 subtract with negative 7. So we have to write negative 3 here, put the addition sign here, then find the additive inverse of negative 7, that is equal to 7. Then here is, we can see 7 is a positive and 3 is a negative. These two are a different sign. So you have to subtract the 3 from 7, that is equal to 4, and here is the 7 is a positive number, though our answer become positive number. Clear? So next example, negative 9 subtract with negative 10. Negative 9 subtract. Then our next step become, you have to write negative 9 here, put the positive sign here, and find the additive inverse of negative 10 become positive 10. So here negative 9. 9 is a negative number, 10 is a positive number. Then you have to subtract 10 minus 9, that is equal to 1. That is our answer become 1. So this manner we have to do the addition and subtraction of our integer. So you have any doubt about the addition and subtraction of the integer, please comment on my comment button and please subscribe my channel. Channel name is Max Logic Solution. Thank you.